Okay, she's giving me the.
Oh,
Okay,
yeah.
Hey guys, I'm Cameron, General Manager here at Palm Harbor in Cleveland, Texas. I am in the lovely Magnum, which is one of my favorite floor plans ever in the history of Everdome. I know you're getting tired of me talking about the Magnum, but I love this house. We're actually not here to talk about the Magnum today, but I wanted to do this video in the Magnum just because any opportunity to come in here makes me happy. So, welcome. We do build this house while we're sitting here. We do build this house as a 30 by 66, a 30 by 76, and a 34 wide by 76 foot long. So you can get it built all the way from 1,980 square feet, which is the way we are have it in the home we're standing in, all the way up to like 2,584 square feet. So lots of variations for this floor plan. The reason we're coming to you guys today, if you have tried to build a porch or a fence lately, or just, I don't know, watch the news, you've probably heard about skyrocketing lumber prices. If you haven't, if you live under a rock like me, I try not to watch the news because I like Mary Poppins, I don't like the bad stuff. I just encourage you to Google soaring lumber prices, and you'll get a crazy amount of,
I don't want to get it all in your cooling. But
you'll get all kinds of articles to pop up and kind of talk about how the increase of lumber prices is affecting the housing market, and of course we're part of the housing market. So what you may not know is this time last year, this is kind of where we were for lumber pricing versus the exact same time this year, we're way up here.
lots.
I know, quite the jump. So if this was stocks that we were participating in,
Right.
we'd be super excited, but it's not.
Yeah.
So the great thing is Palm Harbor as a company has chosen to eat all of those price increases from this time last year up to now. If you come in and shop any of our package homes, the Limited Horizon, the 56-foot Horizon, or the Somerset, you know that we have really tried to maintain a specific price point to reach the broadest number of customers that we could with those homes. So for all of you guys who have shopped those homes and maybe wanted to go home and kind of think about it, make sure it was the right floor plan for you, we are going to have a price increase on those 3 floor plans simply because we just can't carry the price increase cost anymore and be able to, I don't know, keep the lights on.
Or buy gas to get to
Yeah, that's
work.
right. So, what we do want to offer our customers though, if you've shopped here, even if you haven't shopped here, if you want to come in and purchase those homes at the current package prices, we will honor those prices as long as your home order is placed by Tuesday morning. That means that we've got to have the order confirmed and turned in before we leave here Monday evening. So what that means for you as a customer is a 5% deposit will get your home in line for construction and maintain that house price. So you will not get the price increase. And guys, it's huge because I mean we're experiencing huge volumes of price increases, and we're doing our best not to pass that on to you because we do want your business. We want you to get the cheapest possible price and still get a Palm Harbor home. So, Crystal, can you think of anything else we need to kind of make mention of while we're talking to our lovely folks today?
No, I think you hit all the main points that we wanted to hit today. So
Absolutely. We really want you to get the best deal. So come here to Palm Harbor in Cleveland. We are off 59 North, 2025 Cold Spring exit. I always have to think where we are. 1152 Frontage Road. The phone number here is 281-592-8600. If you can't really make sense of what I've said today because I was mumbo jumbling for the whole thing, just call us. We'll talk to you about it. Leave us a comment, shoot us a message. We would love to earn your business, and we can't wait to see you guys. See you
Bye,
later.
y'all.
Bye.